What up, YouTube? Today it's Friday. We're gonna hit some legs and maybe a little bit of chest. So it's been a minute since I've gone really heavy with legs. I've kind of been going a little easy with them because I was in the middle of cutting. But now that I've hit 10%, I kind of want to just take a break from cutting and see if I can just maintain that body fat percentage while continuing to lift heavy and get stronger. And then maybe after a week or two, I'll go back to trying to cut a little bit more and see how low I can go. But there's no rush right now. We're just taking it easy. It should be a really good workout. Today, it's going to be sunny all weekend, but next week they're predicting rain the whole week. So I want to make sure I get a lot done this weekend while it's nice outside. First exercise is going to be leg extension. And last week, what I did was single leg, 175 for 15. I might go up to the next weight, which is 190. But before that, what I'm going to do is a warm-up set and just kind of get comfortable. Yeah.
Yes, little candy.
It's not like the sucker, okay? So don't fight it. Just suck on it. All right. All right, let's see how we do. All right. 12. All right, let's see how we do. Yeah. Yep. Nice. All right, we're going to do a second set with the same weight. Here we go. All right. All right, we got them nice and pumped. So it's been a minute since I've done hack squats. I looked up at my logbook. It's been almost a month because I decided to lower the intensity as I was cutting. But I'm feeling good today. But first, we just want to get a warm up. Yep, that feels pretty good. Time to load it up. Four. 6. So I looked at my logbook, and the difference between last time was I did this first before doing anything else. So it's a little bit fresher. Doing those leg extensions did kind of act as a pre-exhaust. But I will say I'm feeling a bigger pump doing the leg extensions before this. So maybe I don't lift as heavy or as many reps, but I'm definitely feeling it. So I actually want to be able to walk tomorrow. And I'm already feeling it in my quads from that hack squat. So next exercise is going to be cable flies. Last week I did 70 for 15. So we're going to move up to 80. Oop. There we go. All right, 18. Ooh. All right, next will be a cable cross this way for upper chest. And I might move the camera here. You can see. Ooh. So I don't know if you could tell, but as I go across, I squeeze. It's really good. Next exercise is going to be calf raise, knees straight. With these, I started recently doing rest pause and anywhere from 3 to 4 times. And when I do it that way, I'm actually getting sore, whereas before, not so much. All right. So you want to stretch on the bottom, squeeze at the top. All right. So the first one's 18. We'll rest, try to recover for a little bit, and then we jump right back into it. So this is my way to hit failure with calves. Whew. Did a couple more deep breaths. All right, and then we just jump right back into it. So best way I can explain is towards the end, it starts burning, and I might get 1 or 2 reps in. Then I stop, recover, and then I jump right back into it. So we done 18, 10. Was either 10 or 12. All right, jump right back. We're at 8. Next one's going to be pretty low, but we'll be pretty close. Whew. All right. All right. Workout complete. Yeah, something about those rest pulls for the calves. They work really well for me. And I am actually going a lot lighter so I can really squeeze and contract. When I was going too heavy, my range of motion was not as full. So I would be here instead of really here. But calves were a weakness of mine, and I kind of want to turn them into a strength. And a lot of that will be just by being consistent. But yeah, we're looking pretty good, if I say so myself. So my thighs are actually the last area that's kind of holding on to fat. Everything else is pretty lean. Like even right now, I'm a little flat because I don't have as much carbs. If I had a little bit more carbs, I'd look a little bit more full, but I can just tell my arms are a little flat. But yeah, if I'm looking at my physique, the calves are starting to go up, and actually forearms are kind of an area I could improve on a little. It's funny, for a while I didn't have any rear delts, and just by consistently doing the rear fly, I'm seeing a lot more development. Looks a lot better. With that said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how your workouts are going. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you in the next one.